In this section of the course, we will be talking about data modeling. Data modeling is a crucial step in building the meaningful insights from your data. It involves organizing and structuring your data in a way that enables efficient analysis and reporting. So a data model in Power BI consists of table, relationship, and calculations. Table represent the data sources, relationship defines how the tables are connected, and calculations allow for advanced calculations and modeling. First step in data modeling is loading and transforming the data from various sources. Power BI supports a wide range of data sources, including databases, spreadsheets, and online services. Once the data is loaded, you can start designing the data model. This involves creating tables and defining the relationship between them. You can also apply filters, sort data, and create hierarchies to organize the information. Establishing relationship between table is crucial for combining the data from different sources. So Power BI analyzes the data and suggests potential relationship by its own, but you can also create them manually based on your understanding of the data. So calculations and measures allows you to perform advanced calculations and context to your data. You can create calculated columns which derive value based on the existing data. It is essential to test your data, refine your data model, and ensure its accuracy and performance. Once your data model is complete, you can start visualization.